so these are the planets. How many planets are there in the solar system?
8 planets.
Okay, the sun is a star. Okay, what are the planets here? First one is a
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Okay, so these are the 8 planets revolving around the sun. Okay, so and Earth is one of the planet we are living in the Earth. Okay, so that in the 2 ways are there in the solar system how that planets will move. Okay, so one is a rotation and a revolution. Okay, what is mean by rotation? Rotation means the planet rotates once every 24 hours. Okay, so that it causes day and night. Okay, so how it will rotate? See, this is a sun, this is a earth planet. Okay, the earth it will rotate itself. It will rotate itself. It will take 24 hours. Okay, so how many days it will take to rotate around the sun? 365 days. 365 days it will take to rotate the sun. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Stop it.